Good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. What were we discussing in the previous class? So I think last class we completed 7.3, right? Did we complete all the problems? Yes or no? We'll finish this part alone. 23rd, what is the answer? I think we have, I remember doing all these things. I think 24th alone we have to do. So integral of e power x into 1 plus x divided by cos square of x e power x. What is the answer? How to do this? Look at the numerator. Numerator is a derivative of whom? Numerator is a derivative of
Ex into x, sir.
yes. So if you differentiate it, you will get e power x into 1 plus x times dx is equal to dt. So integral of dt divided by cos square t. So integral of secant square t dt. So what is integral of secant square? Tan. So tan t plus c, tan of, but what is t? Xc power x plus. Okay. This is the option. That's it, we are done. So the next exercise that we need to discuss is integrals of some particular functions. Okay. So this is a slightly trickier part. I want you all to concentrate. See, write down the heading as integrals of some particular functions. Okay. Integral of dx divided by x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2a into log of mod x minus a by x plus a plus. Okay. So you have to remember this formula. Let's see how to derive. Any idea of how we can proceed? So what we can do is 1 by x square minus a square is there. This we can write it as 1 by x minus a, 1 divided by x minus a into x plus a. Correct? So I can write it as 1 divided by x minus a into x plus a. See, 1 by 6 can be written as 1 by 3 into 2. Can I write this as 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3? Check and tell me. Can I write it like this? Yes, similarly, 1 by 12 is there. I can write 1 by 3 into 1 by 4. Tell me how can I write it? 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Similarly, I can write 1 by 12 as 1 by 6 into 1 by 2. Okay. But I will not be able to write this thing in the form of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 because I ensured that the numerator is 1. I saw that here also the numerators are left out to be 1. In a similar way, 1 divided by x minus a into x minus a into x plus a, can I write it as 1 divided by x minus a minus 1 divided by x plus a? Observe this. Can I write it or not? Sorry. Yeah. 1 minute, 1 minute. I made a mistake. See, listen. 1 divided by x minus a into x plus a, I will write it as something divided by x minus a plus something divided by x plus a. Means I'm splitting the denominator and writing into two parts.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay. Now, if I take LCM on the right hand side, a into x plus a plus b into x minus a, the whole divided by x minus a into x plus a is 1 divided by x minus a into x plus a. This and this will get cancelled. 1 is equal to a plus b into x plus small a into a minus b. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So if I compare both sides, 0x plus 1 is what I can write 1 as. Then I can say a plus b is 0 and a minus b is 1. So if you solve this, you will get 2a is equal to 1 and a is equal to half and b is equal to minus half. Okay, a is equal to half, b is equal to minus half. Then 1 by x minus a into x plus a can be written as, in the place of a, I will put 1 minute. A minus b is 0. Oh, sorry, it is 1 by a. So this would be 1 by 2a and here it will be minus 1 by 2a. So I can, in the place of capital A, I can write it as 1 by 2a into x minus a minus 1 by 2a into x plus a. Okay, that will be 1 by 2a into 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a. See, next time you will be able to do it fast. Okay, I explained the detailed procedure, and this kind of a procedure is called as partial fractions.
Sir,
Okay,
I have a doubt, sir.
tell me.
In all this, we don't know what is small a, right, sir?
Small a can be anything. The question can be like this: 1 by x square minus 2 square. And what is small a?
Base 2, sir.
That's it. So questions will be like this one. Okay. So integral of 1 by x square minus a square times dx, can I write it as integral of 1 by 2a into 1 by x minus a minus 1 divided by x plus a times dx. So if I take that 1 by 2a outside, integral of 1 by x minus a dx minus 1 by 2a into 1 by x plus a dx. Can I write it like this? Now 1 by 2a into integral of log of integral of 1 by x minus a. Log of mod of x minus a minus 1 by 2a into integral of 1 by x plus a. Log of mod of x plus a plus c. So 1 by 2a is common. Log a minus log b. Log of a minus b plus c. Sorry, log of a by b, and you have a plus c. Please copy this. Let me know once you're done.
Sir, could you go up a bit?
Are you done?
1 minute, sir. Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Please go.
Sir, the 1 by 2 log x plus a plus c is called partial differentiation. I mean partial fraction, sir.
The partial functions, yes. See, splitting and writing
Okay.
like this, splitting a fraction and writing it as sum or difference of two other fractions is called as partial fraction.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So if you're done, I will show how to apply this. Integral of 1 by x square minus 4 dx. So it will be integral of 1 divided by x square minus 2 square times dx. What is integral of 1 by x square minus a square? 1 by 2a, a is 2 here, log of mod x minus a divided by x plus a plus c.
Sir, it'll be log of x minus 2 by x plus 2, right, sir?
So x minus 2 by x plus 2. Yeah. Okay. So next time you can apply this formula directly. Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
The second one is integral of 1 divided by x square plus a square times dx. Integral of 1 by x square plus a square dx. Now what we will do, we will put x is equal to a tan theta. Okay. Then dx will be equal to a times secant square theta d theta. So integral of 1 divided by x square is a square tan square theta plus a square. Dx is a secant square theta d theta. A and a will get cancelled. Sorry. Integral of 1 by a square into 1 plus tan square theta into a secant square theta d theta. But 1 plus tan square theta is the same as secant square theta, and a will get cancelled. This will give us integral of d theta divided by a. So 1 by a into theta is the answer. 1 by a into, if tan x is equal to a tan theta will be equal to x by a, theta will be equal to tan inverse of x divided by a. That's it. Third, so 1 by a square minus x square. Integral of 1 by a square minus x square dx. So integral of 1 by a minus x into a plus x dx. 1 by a minus x into a plus x is equal to something by a minus x, something by a plus x, capital A, capital B here. What are we supposed to do? Capital A into a plus x plus capital B into a minus x divided by a square minus x square. This is 1 by a square minus x square. This and this will get cancelled. Small a into capital A plus b plus x into a minus b is 1. So a minus b will be 0. A plus b will be 1a. 2a is equal to 1 by a, which implies a is equal to 1 by 2a, and b will be minus 1 by 2a. Okay. So a is 1 by 2a, b is minus 1 by 2a. Take this and substitute it. So 1 by 2a into log of a minus x divided by a plus x plus c. So I hope you guys understood. Okay. Is there any other way that we can solve this problem?
Sir, we can actually split 1 by a plus x into 1 by a minus x, sir.
Both are right. See, that's not the thing. If you do it in that way or
We
this
can
way, it is the
use
same
substitute
ultimate.
something as t, sir.
Yes. What can we do? We can substitute
Make
x
a
is equal
plus
to,
x as t.
we can write x is equal to something else. What is it? We can write x is equal to a sine theta or a cos theta and also proceed. Because wherever you have a square minus x square, you can substitute like something like that and also proceed. But let's check. Okay, just for the sake of knowledge, I'm explaining it. Listen to this. So integral of 1 by a square minus x square dx. Put x is equal to a sine theta, which implies dx is equal to a cos theta d theta. Integral of 1 by a square minus a square sine square theta into a cos theta d theta. Correct? So integral of 1 by a square into 1 minus sine square theta into a cos theta d theta, a and this will get cancelled. So integral of 1 by cos square theta into cos theta d theta, this and this will get cancelled. So integral of secant theta d theta. Tell me what is the integral of secant theta? Log of something. Oh, there is 1 by a. Sorry guys, I forgot this 1 by a. So 1 by a into log of, check, no, what is the integral of secant x dx?
Log of secant x minus tan x, sir.
Correct. So log of secant theta minus tan theta. Remember, sin theta is equal to x by a. If I take this as theta, this is x, this is a, then this will be root of a square minus x square. Correct? So 1 by a into log of, what is secant theta? Tell me. A divided by root of a square minus x square. Minus, what is tan theta? X divided by root of a square minus x square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So 1 by a into log of a minus x divided by root of, can I write it as a minus x into a plus x? Yes or no? So 1 a minus x will cancel this square root times. So 1 by a into log of a minus x divided by a plus x, the whole power half. Can I write it like this? Then this half will come here as multiplication factor. 1 by 2a into log of a minus x divided by a plus x plus c. Correct, Ada? So is it not the same?
Yes, sir, the same.
So please write it down.
So, sir, we can say this is a formula for integral of secant theta by any constant, sir.
No, that is not what I told. I was trying to say this is the formula for 1 by a square minus x square. That's it. You derived it by substituting x is equal to a sin theta, in which one of the steps told you that you get integral of secant theta. Okay.
We can't use this, sir, in some directly from secant theta.
You can't use.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shall I move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
1 square plus a square I completed. Integral of dx by square root of, see, the formula is very simple, okay? 1 by without a square root x square minus a square minus x square, and x square plus a square. The next three formula are 1 by root of x square minus a square, 1 by root of a square minus x square, and 1 by root of x square plus a square. Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Fourth one, integral of dx divided by root of x square minus a square. Tell me, what are we supposed to substitute x as? X is equal to a. See, whenever you have x square minus a square, from the concept of inverse trigonometry, what is that we understand? X will be a
A
secant
cos
theta.
theta.
No, you have to substitute a secant theta. So x is equal to a secant theta, dx will be equal to a secant theta tan theta into d theta. So integral of a secant theta into tan theta to d theta divided by root of a square secant square theta minus a square is how much? So it will be a secant theta tan theta divided by a into tan theta. So a and a will get cancelled, tan theta will cancel, something like this. You understood what happened? Secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta, under a root is tan theta. So what is the integral of secant theta d theta? Log
Log
of
of secant theta minus tan theta.
So log of, what is the value of secant theta? Secant theta is equal to x by a. So if I take a right angle triangle, secant theta is equal to x divided by a. So here it will be root of x square minus a square. So log of, what is secant theta? X by a minus tan theta is root of x square minus a square divided by a. Correct? Yeah. This will be how much? Log of x minus root of x square minus a square, the whole divided by a. So log of mod of root of x minus root x square minus a square minus log a plus c. But log a plus c, I can call it as some other constant. So the answer is log of x minus root of x square minus a square plus c1. Wait a minute. Why is there a plus here? Hey, 1 minute, I made it. I think there is a mistake. So the formula is something like this. Here it is a plus x divided by a minus x. Okay, this is one thing. And here it should be secant theta plus tan theta. Plus and a minus. Okay. Similarly, here also it should be plus. So log of x plus root of x square minus a square. Okay. Similarly, I'll give you a hint. You can try them out. Actually, I want to stop the class by 5:40 because I know some of you are writing offline test today. So for you to give some travel time, I'll stop it in 5 more minutes. So the hint here is put x is equal to a sine theta, and here the hint is put x is equal to a tan theta. Then you can proceed.
Could you show the hints 1 minute, sir? Thank you, sir.
Okay. Now you have the set of all formulae. We will try them out in these problems. Let's do some simple problems. Integral of dx by x square minus 4 square. So integral of dx divided by x square minus 4 square. So what will it give? It will be 1 by 2a 1 by 2a into log of x minus 4 by x plus 4 plus c. Okay. Did you understand how I got this? Because 1 by integral of 1 by x square minus a square is 1 by 2 into log of x minus a by x plus a plus c. Next, how to do this problem? So integral of tx divided by root of 2x minus x square is there, no? So what we are supposed to do is in these kind of problems, you convert it to a perfect square. So what we will do is x square minus 2x, see, 2x minus x square, I will write it as minus of x square minus 2x. Minus of, how can I write this as a perfect square? It will be x minus 1 the whole square minus not 2 minus 1. So it is x minus 1 the whole square minus 1. Okay. If you push the minus sign inside, you will get 1 minus x minus 1 the whole square. Okay. So integral of dx divided by square root of 1 minus of x minus 1 the whole square times dx. So this is looking like what? 1 by root of a square minus x square. So what is the formula for 1 by root of a square minus x square? It is 1 by a into sine inverse of x by a. So sine inverse of x minus 1 plus. Okay, so answer is sine inverse of x minus 1 plus. Okay, so I'll stop with this for today. Okay, this is slightly a tricky concept. I want you all to focus with more attention. So once the test is over today, you guys can revise it, and in tomorrow's class we'll do some more problems. Okay, is there any other doubt? Any other doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No doubt.
Okay, then we can wind up.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.